June 2021, we are in middle of global pandemic due to novel coronavirus, COVID-19. We are going to discuss about the need for hand wash, why we need to hand wash. Also, it's a good time for people from Indian Peninsula to learn cleanliness as well at this point of time in the Cosmos timeline. So hand wash usually with the soap will remove bacteria and chemicals and dirt. How it is going to help us to control a pandemic, that is the virus, because a virus size is 20 nanometer to 500 nanometer. On average, it is 120 nanometer. So if so, how hand wash is going to help? So this novel virus is unique with 5 different proteins. It has spike protein S protein, membrane protein M protein, and it is enveloped by envelope protein and nucleocapsid protein and genomic RNA lipid layer. So here the interesting part is envelope protein. So in the envelope protein we have fat. So that fat is derived by the virus from the host, that is from our epithelials, from our inner from our organs, vital organs, it derive it. So this E protein is of fat. When we do hand wash, we do two things. We apply friction between the hands and fingers, and we use soap. The soap molecule form a hydrophobic tail, so that bonds with the oil and fat. Okay, so the virus, COVID virus, is just 120 nanometer in size, which go and sit on our fingerprint crevices. It's so tiny and it is a nanoparticle, but still hydrophobic tail bonds with the fat which is in the E protein, envelope protein, and it make a rupture, the tail rupture, and it expose the RNA, sac of RNA cells, and it deflate the virus because virus do not have the envelope. Plain old soap and water rubbing for 15 to 20 seconds is good enough to reduce the bacterial count by 90%. How it is possible is, so the lather in the soap form small packets that's called measles. So that measles trap the bacteria, chemicals and dirt, and it washes it away. Also rubbing between the fingers also break down the bacteria and virus. So these two actions are helping to globally control the pandemic situation, the wild spread of virus.